Hi, this is a super quick demo video for WP Traffic Guard. Now, if you've got a blog, then sooner or later you're going to end up with broken links, either from people linking to a page on your site that you've moved, changed the URL for, or even deleted, or, and this happens more often than you'd realize, they've got a mistake, a typo in the link they used. Basically, you end up with people coming to your site and landing on the 404 error page. This is an example of the default error page format that most people see when they hit a broken link on your site. Now, that's not a page that's going to do much for you, is it? It's such a simple thing, but most people just overlook it. This is wasted clicks and lost visitors. Now, you can set up a simple 404 redirect, which then sends all of those clicks to your home page. But we've come up with a super simple way of tapping directly into those visitors straight away. WP Traffic Guard gives you a monetized alternative by presenting these visitors with relevant, high-value, profit-pulling offers. Now, we've been using this ourselves and have been fine-tuning the plugin to get the best results. And now we're releasing it so you can do the same. Let's have a quick look inside at the settings, which we've kept simple so you can be up and running in moments. And we found that the two formats that work best are two wide image banners, one above the other, or four in a square format next to each other. And you can have as many different ads and offers as you want and decide whether to include them all or select individual ads. There's also the option to prioritize the ads with the highest click-through rate. So over time, the plugin will show the ads that get the best results for you. You can also see that within the 404 banner stats option reporting down here at the bottom. But basically, this is self-optimization that the plugin's doing. So if you start off with a dozen ads, over time, it will choose those that get you the click-throughs. So you can come back and check those banner stats and remove the ads that are the weakest performers and swap in some new ones to split test against the best performers. We've also included an option for additional CSS styling. So for people who know what they're doing, you can change and edit the look and feel of the page even further. That's it for the settings. It's really quick and easy to set up. Let's have a look at the banners page itself. I've got 3 banners already loaded in here. And we also include with the plugin a default banner selection so you can import that and be up and running with half a dozen banners straight away. On top of that, adding your own new banners is really simple. Give it a name, upload the image itself, and simply pop in your affiliate URL or offer page and click Save Changes. That's how quick and easy it is to add a new banner. So here I am on a blog that I have WP Traffic Guard installed on, and all I've done is type in a random selection of letters, so I know this is going to go to a page that doesn't exist, and it takes a second or two, and up pops our new WP Traffic Guard 404 page. And instead of just the default error message, I've got my 2 offers and an invitation to get the visitor to click on one of those. Now what I'm going to do is hit F5, Control F5 to update that page again, and it randomizes the ads that it shows for you. So now we can see we've got 2 different or 1 different ad, because I only have 3 that I'm rotating on this particular blog, but it will bring up different ads, display different ones from the selection that you have every time someone hits a broken link. And as I mentioned earlier on the settings page, the plugin will automatically over time favor those offers that get a higher click-through rate. So the ones that get you the results and bring you the profits. And if I pop over to another blog, this is the other format of 2x2 where we can see 4 different offers on the same page instead of the 2 wide ones. Now, whilst that's all you need to do with the plugin to start recovering those lost clicks and lost visitors and turn them into profits, there are other things that we've included in the plugin. So for instance, you can use all of those ads within posts themselves as well. So let's scroll down and say I want to include one of our ads just above the next break on that particular blog post. All I need to do is come to the WP Toolkit Traffic Guard icon here, click on this and choose from the available ads. When it comes up, here we go, choose which one I want to insert, and it gives you all the information so you can see exactly which ad you're including. Let's go with this one. Click on insert shortcode. That is inserted. All I then need to do is post or update that post, and once the post is updated, let's go across to the post itself, and if I scroll down, you'll see currently there's no ad. Control F5 to refresh that page. It'll take a second or two. My internet is running slow today for some reason. And there we go. The ad is now included within a post. So all of the ads that you add to WP Traffic Guard are also available for your blog posts. And let's quickly head back to the settings page. The other reporting option is for the banner stats. This will actually show you all the pages that have one of your banners on, how many times it's viewed, and how many times it's been clicked. You can also see the same information, obviously, for the banner stats on the 404 error pages, and the system will tell you what the 404 error links coming into your site are. Now, ultimately, you want to be checking this report on a regular basis to work out where those broken links are, where the broken pages are, and correct them and fix them where you can, or reach out to other site owners if it is a typo or a bad link and ask them to fix it. Okay, so that's a pretty quick run through of what WP Traffic Guard can do for you. It's really simple at the end of the day. If you have a blog, it's inevitable that you'll end up with broken links, so why not take a moment to make sure that all of your visitors coming to those pages don't end up on a boring 404 error page. Instead, give them a relevant offer that's going to end up putting more profits in your pocket. And remember, WP Traffic Guard self-optimizes to make sure you get the best possible returns. Thank you very much for watching.